Hello folks, welcome back. Great news, as you can see, the snow is gone. Hopefully not to return for another 8 months or something. Also, I have a delivery. I'll show you what that's for in a sec. So the only things I'm really missing for finishing off this Crown Vic Mustang II Chevy 36 Chevy Conversion is the tie rod ends. Now the issue I've got is the Mustang II tie rod ends, that thread is slightly smaller than the Crown Vic. So the problem is there, the Mustang II tie rod ends are only like that long and I need them to be that long. So what I've opted to do is I've ordered up the Crown Vic tie rod ends because I know they'll be long enough, and hopefully, which we'll find out soon, I might be able to swap these over, the inner tie rods with the Crown Vic inner tie rods, and then I'll have the correct thread. If not, I just need to get some nuts, the right thread for this, and weld one onto the Crown Vic. But anyway, that's what's in the box. Let's have a look. Oh, it's like Christmas. It's been much easier with 2 hands, but okay. Now this is the first time that I've ordered anything from Rock Auto. Everything in Canada is expensive, so Rock Auto are actually in the States, but they have very cheap postage to Canada. For comparison, these Crown Vic tie rod ends are minimum $30 each in Canada, and I got them from Rock Auto for $6 each, $12 delivery, grand total roughly $25 to my house. Cannot complain, and I will be using them in the future. Chunky. Right, where was I? Okay, so here's what you get. Big, chunky, awesome. It comes with a little screw for a sort of bleed nipple screw, so you can pump that full of grease. There's a wee guys there. Comes with a nut, comes with this cone washer. So anyway, I've already put this side on, well, roughly, and as you can see, that's where the that's where it was previously, so it's pretty much spot on. But as I say, I might not be able to use these inner tie rods, we'll see. Let's just check the other side in case I've got it completely skew with. Give me a sec, and the nut's gone. Anyway, so that goes up there. That goes up there. Ugh, the brake rotor dust plate is bent up. Anyway, so same again. Perfect. Well, perfect-ish. So I need to go and dig out the Crown Vic steering rack, which is in that corner somewhere. Take the inner tie rods off and open up that one and see if they are actually interchangeable. Right, I dug it out. So that's Crown Vic Mustang II. I'm hoping that this will transfer over to there. So I just need to take this corrugated boot off. Little screwdriver, twist that out. That's got a clippy thing. That's got a clippy thing. That's got a bit of factory wire holding it together. Okay, back in a sec, see how they look. So far so good. The length of the inner tie rods are the same, so that's good. These are slightly different ways of connecting it, but the main thing is this is obviously attached to a sort of ball joint. So as long as the diameter of that one is the same as the diameter of that one, then I should be able to put that one in there. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how to do this yet. I'll stick it in a vise and see if this turns. If this doesn't turn, when that turns, we're good, but I'm not quite sure how to lock that. I might YouTube that or Google it just to make sure I don't destroy it. Back in a sec. Right, I got the first one off. I didn't actually realise that that's a complete part. I thought this section was basically just holding in that ball joint, but that's an enclosed, non-replaceable part. So now I have to hope that that thread is going to be the same as what's in that shaft. Fingers crossed. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, unfortunately, I did get this off, but unfortunately that is a threaded bar, which is the opposite of this one. So that's a female, this is a male, so that will not go in there. So I'm going to have to redneck it for now, because basically I need this size threaded end on there. So I'm going to chop that, weld that onto there, and then I'll brace it with some of this tubing. So I'll, as I say, I'll cut, weld, slide this over, not this, maybe about 2 inches, an inch to 2 inches, if it'll go. Okay, and then I will, so the weld will be inside there in the middle, so I'll weld round there and I'll weld round there, and it should be strong enough for now. No doubt there's a kit I can get somewhere that converts the Mustang II to the Crown Vic, but for now this will do just to get me mobile, and I'll look into getting the proper setup. I've tacked these together for now. I've got this in place to slide over. You know, when I weld this bit properly, I'll grind it down, slide that over, weld in both sides. The reason I have to put it on now is that this adjustment hex is actually wider than that, so I can't get it on after the fact. I have to put it on now. So I'm just going to test fit it on the car. These are screwed in about just over halfway. There's still enough room there for the lock nut, but we'll see how it fits at the moment before I commit to a full weld round these things. Let's see how this looks. Yes, I know, it's too dark to see, as usual. So nothing's really tight yet. I mean, all these are still loose and everything, but seems to fit. And yeah, I will look into getting this a proper inner tie rod conversion thing. But I mean, that's just tacked on just now, and it's still fairly strong. It'll probably work, I'm just not happy with it. So let's see, I'm going to turn this wheel. That one should turn. And it does. So we're getting there. Well, that's all for now, folks. I will try and get that finished off tomorrow after work. I'm just trying to get a little bit done here and there after work. But from next Thursday I'll be off for a week, so I should get a lot done then. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Bye bye.